How's it going, guys? This is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the Solo Pro left side outside hinge cover. It's pretty similar. You can do this to the right side also, but as you can tell, it's pretty scuffed up. I'm gonna replace it with this new one here, and let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is get a pry tool, and what we want to do is pry open this inside, because we're going from the inside here, and kind of go underneath this here. So what we're doing is we're prying up this cover on the back end. So once you got this side popped off, you're gonna have to push down, and that thing comes out. So once you got that, you can extend the hinge, just give you a little bit more room to play with. And what we're gonna do is get a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew this screw here. And another screw is located underneath the wires here. We're going to get to that. If you kind of raise the wires a little bit, you can see it. Try to get it. So what I'm going to do, kind of elevate the wires away from the screw, because they may be glued down a little bit, but that's fine. You can use a flathead screwdriver to kind of pry them up. Once you got enough room here, go ahead and attempt it. Looks like it's coming out. Just like that. Got the tab off. Let's get that new one in there. And go ahead and screw that in. It is kind of tricky to get under the wires, but you want to make sure you don't damage them. So we got that pretty tight. Let's get just a few more. Just like that. That should be good. So let's slide this back, slide the hinge back under the panel, and screw that in. Let's get this big screw in. Just like that. And if you remember the way you take it off, you're gonna want to set it down and kind of push up. And just like that, there you have it. We replaced this left panel housing on the outside here with a brand new one. Now our headphones are looking brand new. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. We do sell parts and tools on our website, so you guys can check that out. Have a good day.